Open the packaging. Take out the robot and accessories in order. Check all items according to the list in the user manual. Make sure the dust box and mop bracket are properly in place. Remove the bumper strips. Peel off the protective films from the camera and the top of the robot. Plug in the power supply. Place the charging station against the wall. Leave at least 1.64 feet of clearance in front and at least 0.66 feet of clearance on both sides. Place the robot near the charging station. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. Ensure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on. Search for 3i in your App Store to download. Sign up for an account and bind the robot. Manually add the machine. Select the correct machine model to connect to the network. Keep your phone's Bluetooth on during this process. Press and hold the network setup button for 3 seconds.
Reset Wi-Fi to enter network configuration mode.
After hearing the voice prompt, tap I've reset Wi-Fi. Next. Enter your home Wi-Fi password in the app. Be careful with special characters and capitalization. Wait for the connection to complete. If setup fails, check whether the Wi-Fi password is correct and then try again. Once connected, point the robot's camera towards the station. Press the charging button on the robot or tap Return in the app. The robot will automatically return to the station.
Start charging.
For the initial mapping, open the doors to all rooms you want to include. Tidy the floor and arrange furniture neatly. If you have carpets, it's recommended to secure all 4 corners. In the app, tap Create New Map. The robot will leave the station and begin mapping. After mapping is complete, the robot will automatically return to the station. The app will automatically generate a map. Before vacuuming and mopping, fill the water box to the appropriate level. Open the water box. Add clean water. Seal the rubber plug securely. Reinstall the water box properly.
The water tank has been installed.
If you only need vacuuming, no mopping, there's no need to fill the water box. Press the robot's on-off button once to start cleaning. Press the on-off button again to pause. To stop the task midway, press the charging button to return the robot to the station. If no further commands are given, the robot will return to the station automatically after completing the cleaning task. In the device interface, you can select the area to be cleaned from the following options: full, rooms, or zones. Full cleaning. The robot will clean the full house. You can select a cleaning mode: AI Auto, Vac and Mop, Vacuum or Custom, and set specific cleaning preferences. Once you've selected the desired mode, tap Start to begin cleaning. Room cleaning. Select one or multiple rooms you want to clean. Then select a cleaning mode for the chosen rooms. Tap Start to begin cleaning. Zone cleaning. Draw boxes around the areas you want to clean. You can add and adjust multiple zones by dragging to change the size and location. After setting the zones, tap Start to begin cleaning. If there are areas in the room you don't want clean, use the No-Go Zones feature. You can add up to 10 zones and resize or move them as needed. The robot will avoid these no-go zones during cleaning. If you set a no-mop zone, the robot will only vacuum in that zone. Tap a room on the map to rename it. To split a room, select it and adjust the dividing line. To merge rooms, select 2 adjacent rooms and combine them. Tap Edit Furniture to adjust existing furniture on the map or add new furniture from the list. Drag and place the furniture in the correct position. Set the floor type of each room, for example, tile or wood. The robot will automatically adjust suction power and water level based on the selected material for smarter cleaning. The robot supports up to 5 maps, ideal for multi-level homes. To clean a floor without the station, manually move the robot there. Only vacuum mode is supported in this case. Tap Work Records to view the robot's previous cleaning records, paths, and detailed cleaning reports. Tap Cleaning Schedules to set specific cleaning times, frequency, and desired cleaning mode. Go to Cleaning Settings and select Carpet Cleaning Settings. You can choose from 4 modes: Avoid Carpet, Ignore Carpet, Cross Carpet, and Adaptive Cleaning. For adaptive cleaning, you can customize Carpet Boost, Vacuum Carpet First, and Clean Carpet Twice. Enable AI recognition for a smarter cleaning experience. Details of this feature are displayed in the app, and you can turn it on or off based on your needs. Tap About this device in the app and check the serial number, or remove the robot dust box and check the sticker on the robot body. Please tap Firmware Upgrade and enable nighttime updates to ensure ongoing performance optimization and feature improvements. In the 3i app, tap Video Manager and set a password for security access. During cleaning, you can view a live video feed from the robot. You can also take real-time photos and videos via the app.